Nick? Steve? I'm a little bit outnumbered here. I don't think I'm gonna make it. No, you can find a way. Mick! I need you to do me a favor. What is it, Steve? Tell my wife I love her. It doesn't kill you. It makes you stronger. Oh, fuck! It didn't kill me, but it didn't make me any stronger. In fact, it made me 100% more weaker. Kelly Clarkson, you fat lying whore!
I'm a fucking artist, Mom!